Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel MIZO Education Hub. Hemi video ahian SBI CLERK MAINS 2023 questions came on kasol dona. So state level examination chuan tiang hi achuak lutuklawa. Tilpat kashil chunga banking exam chu question pakashim anti thui theiluduka. Question pakat is made up of 3 to 4 questions. Hemitili in Shia Tangai. So, Lau Turan ilawak, Emotlan Chia Turan law. Pakatetain can solve. And if you are visiting to this channel for the very first time, you must and you should definitely subscribe this channel. Achanju videos tamdugala upload dona. So, leh ani. Start ila pakate and video try and teach one in like donya. In this video, I am not going to solve all the questions because trial video may many just like a trial. View to an tam chuan atra otherwise ka stop deyang. Okay. So here is the first question. Total surface area of cuboid and given 76 centimeters square. Ratio of the length and the height of the cuboid is 5:2 and the breadth is double of the height. Find the cost of painting the floor of the cuboid at the cost of rupees 20 per centimeter square and quantity 2 enge. Perimeter of the equilateral triangle formed on the floor of the cuboid is 12 centimeter. Find the cost of painting triangular part at the cost of rupees 30 per centimeter square. So in this case, first ayan total surface area formula in Shia tinge ngai dona achanchu engthil ngan zata yan. Then find the cost of painting the floor and teatro. So floor enge anichin length and breadth anichin. Length and breadth anichin. Masing length le breadth kan nei silawa. Hemi length le breadth ko train nge kan nei don with the help of this total surface area. And cuboid pakat kan siam lo kang ba ka mo cuboid. This is a cuboid. Length, breadth and height all are different anichina. Length, breadth, height kan enchina ngai. 5:2 here length and height. So 5:2. And dule unitary method pan solve the or variable method pan solve the ratio no so 5x and 2x kalanga. Breadth is double of the height. So height is 2x, so breadth will be 4x anidon. Now with the help of total surface area. Total surface area formula is 2LB BHN HL. Hemi value here and given us 76 centimeters square. LBH values tahian kadanga. L into B means 5x into 4x 20x square. BH means 4 into 2 8x square. HL means 2x into 5x 10x square is equals to 76 centimeters square. Now 2 in hemi 76 you can say lila 38 centimeters square and add vekila 20 le 8 28 plus 10 38. So 38x square is equals to 38 centimeters square. Now 38 le 38 can cancel and x square is equals to centimeter square throw. It means 38 by 38 1 anidona and centimeter square root is centimeter. It means hemi value of x enge 1 centimeter ania. So 1 centimeter in each one. This value will be 2 centimeter. This value will be 4 centimeter. And this value will be 5 centimeter anidon. Length le breadth kan neito. Now floor area engeni don. Floor area hemi floor anidona. Floor height kan mamonga ilawa. Length le breadth chia kan boy puichin. So length is 5 centimeter and breadth is 4 centimeter. So total area will be 20 centimeter square. Now per centimeter square man hi angzat cheng somni. So 20 centimeter square man angzat ngeni don 20 into 20 rupees. That is cheng zali anidon. Second part kan solvang cheng zali anya quantity 2 hi zali I claim an each one. Quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2 kantidona. Quantity 2 1 ain atam chuan. Quantity 2 is greater than quantity 1 kantidona and quantity in angta se zali veve nita se in this case enge kantidon. Option E can answer anitayang. Okay, here is the second quantity. Perimeter of equilateral triangle. Now perimeter antia perimeter enge ka sum of all the sides. Boundary length khani mai x x x ungiven yes and given us som pani centimeter. And each 12 centimeter is equals to 3x and 3 in cancelila. X is equals to 4. So side po kanneito. This is the side. Now cost of painting triangular part. Hemi party can paint ang iton. So in this case, enge area of equilateral triangle kan mang ani may long root 3 by 4 side square. And side can find out zochia how much? 4. So 4 square is 16. Cancelila topa 4 root 3 he can paint down. Okay, so 4 root 3 centimeter square is correct answer. Hemi centimeter square koyaming intimate theatro. Achanchu 4 centimeter and ya emi poi 4 centimeter emi poi 4 centimeter. So side square kan tihan centimeter po square kan zia kang. Okay, now kan koshana per centimeter square man hisom thumania. So 4 root 3 centimeter square man engzat ngeni don. And so 30 into 4 za somni root 3 rupees. Hemi hi convertila za somni into 1.732 anitrina. Atirami pani 1217 zar. How much? Zanile pali anitrin. So definitely zanile pali tachu zali aina claims o kanilomi. Chumi fangchun quantity 1 ka zali anya and quantity 2 engzat zanile pali somewhere around zanile pali nidona. So definitely quantity 1 is greater than quantity 2. First option is correct answer. So formula panikan mang total surface area of cuboid, that is 2 LB plus BH plus HL, and area of equilateral triangle kan manga, that is root 3 by 4 A square. Two formulas kan mang to indu chon copy apo in note down zel thai exam dang apo chuak thai thawani yo state exam apo chuak train tiang tili, but state exam a chon hai part wise in zot train question shim atoi thailu tuka and tinan tihiana chuak thaya. Area of equilateral triangle is 9 root 3, so what will be the side? Well, this type of question can be asked in state level also. Now question number 2. The vessel contains 60 liters of a mixture that contains 80% of milk, okay, and the rest is water. And 60 liter kan ya milk 80% le 20% obviously water. And idona firstly 20 liters of mixture are replaced by water, and then 15 liters of mixture are removed from the resultant mixture. If X liters of water are to be added, if X liters of water are added to the remaining mixture, then the ratio of milk to water become equal in the final mixture. Find the value of X. And because shani mo thui intiang maseng story ang devin han solve vela anuam don lo en chintewa. So tahian vessel pakhat kan neya how much? 60 liter. It contains 60 liter of mixture, 80% milk. Le milk engzat nge omta hian 80% oma chon rest to water antia. Firstly 20 liter of mixture are replaced by water. Ani chon tatrang hian 20 liter can remove don ani chu. 20 liter can remove chon engzat nge bang don. Only 40 liters a bang adikem. Yes, adik chiang tu. Hemi thil hi ni hemi concept ni initiatur. Mixture trangin X liter kan lak chia chuan voikat ma ratio danglam ngailo hemi thil hi shiatur. Antinan vessel wa na trangin 20 liters kala chuaka hemi vessel a po hian ratio will be same. Ratio voikat ma danglam ngailo hemi 40 liter a hian engzat nge water om don or milk om don ei. Milk a om zat tur chu 80% antia of hemi mixture, and water engzat kenselila milk will be 32 liter. So milk 32 ni chon abang water ani dona. Somli liter and 32 pay 8 liters kan nei pota tui. Now hetahian water can add. Hein muam firstly 20 liter of mixture ka kan la chuak to replaced by water. So water can add don hetahian mo plus engzat 20 liter chupo eng water can add. Now hemi container tharhi, it will contain how much? 40 le 20 kan thun le, so 60 liter a contain le don. Masing tuntrum milk engzat ngeom don. Milk khachu kan khoidang lam mi alo. Masing water 20 can add alom. So hemi 8 liter a hian 20 can add 28 kan nei. Now again part dang chiar leila 15 liter of mixture are removed antileto. Now what will be the ratio of milk le water yang ratio 4 in katila 8:7 hemi thing lautur. Okay, tatrang hian 15 liter mixture kan la chuak le so kan lak chua chon 45 liter chi abanga exactly milk engzat nge bangin shiam a omdon ta hian 8 part ania 8 part chunga kan ziak china anwaya total 15 into engzat mo it contains 45 liter. So 15 in cancel 3 8 3s are milk will be 24 liter om tahian. Milk 24 om chon water engzat nge omang or 45 minus 24 that is 21 liter water om don. Now kan caution hian tawo if x liters of water are added to the remaining mixture then the ratio of milk to the water becomes equal in the final mixture. Omzia in shia omzia chu milk by water is equals to 1 by 1 siam turin hemi tuya hian engzat liter nge means engzat nge tu kan edang. So value of m kan neya somni pali, value of tu kan neya somni pakhat plus x is equals to 1 by 1. So cross multiply la 24 is equals to 21 plus x. So x is equals to 24 minus 21. So 3 liter add ang idon. Hemi thili option A is correct answer. Hemi caution here easy way pon solve thai thawa masing kay man ka breakdown ni. Unitary method in or fast method pon solve thai thawa engawi in dujon in skip thai. Claim in IQ or common sense po man thai thawa he tui hi somni pakhatania milk somni palinia. So tu yan pathum liter thum A dilani melo belilani melo. More by this way 3 liter is correct answer. Next question. Question number 3. The average earning of a group of 8 persons is rupees 25 per day. The difference between the person having highest earning and lowest earning highest le lowest earning type question in the group is rupees 45. If persons having highest and lowest earning are excluded means minus h le minus l then the average earning of the group is decreased by 2.5. Find the average earning of the group when the 3 persons whose sum of earnings are equal to the person having highest earning left the group. Highest earning left the group. Yes. Now pakata then can break down ang question poi. The average earning of a group of 8 person ungiven 8 person ungiven throw. So sum can nailom. Sum of their earning will be 8 into 25. That is ching zani viable common sum of earning of 8 person kan naito. Difference between the person having highest and highest le lowest difference h minus l kan ziak mayang tihian. If a person having highest and lowest are excluded then the average earning leh kan exclude todon 200 sum is equals to sum method in or 200 the trang highest le lowest kan paya panian chuak de tro panian chua chuan 8 minus 2 that is 6 person anom dona and average earning decreased by 2.5. So 25 for in 2.5 pay is 22.5. Yes. Decimal da sonila 5 in cancelila 45. 2 in cancelila 3. 45 trees are 135 anidona. So 200 minus h minus l. Ani chon he minus h le minus l helama data ila and zasom thumpanga zanibula thon peila helama availama. So 200 the trangin za som thum panga pela 65 kan nei lem equation pani kan nei alom maseng athanin in ngai tanga tinge h le l kan boy puya achan chu topper haneng thil ngai zia when the 3 person whose sum of earning are equal to person having highest earning. So person having highest earning le tu pu atirami pathumi assume ila line topper hemi hiloman given earning of these 3 is equals to the highest one. Chumi function h value can find out ngai don. Equation pani kan nei h minus l is equals to 45 h plus l is equals to somruk panga. Now addila 2h is equals to zale som h engzat nge cancel nuwa 55 kan nei dona emi value ta handa de ula L value kan nei ngalang 65 minus 55 that is 10 kan nei to tira group a pariatonom tro zani masing mi pathum anchua ka whose sum is equals to the highest one. Anchua wangin 55 kan payang. Engzat ngen laba. Total remaining persons are 5 chialoman remaining. Zani atrangin somnga panga pay is 145 and 145 imo panga in dividila engzat 29. So 29 is correct answer. 15 boys and 12 girls together can complete a work in 8 days, while 5 boys and 22 girls can complete the same work in C days. Ratio of efficiency and given. Find the possible value or values of A plus C where A and C are positive integer. Yes, the question po hi previous videos, YouTube videos ka upload to in len lochon in ente. Lawan chinru 15 boys tero plus 12 girls multiplied by M1D1 equals to M2D2 ang devin A is equals to 5 boys plus 22 girls into ni C hunan lachin can complete the same work in C days and tejumi function C can multiply. A ratio of efficiency of a boy to girl B ungiven a 2 and G ungiven a 5. Okay, emitil hit hangin law turan ya kan chadan kan zia kang tihian input. So 15 B's are 15 into 2 30 plus 12 into G 12 5s are 60. A kannaya is equals to 5 into B into kanda are 10 and 22 into G in 5 kanda are zale som into C. Som thumle som ruk som kuwa anya som le zale som za som ni anya into C. Now A nwaya C daila za som ni nwaya som kuwa zia kila som thumin kan kachuan 4 by 3 kan neidon. Now 4 by 3 hi enge in shia dule variable method pon solve ya 4x and 3x or unitary method pon solve thaito. Now kan options how we can check possible value of A plus C antia try question possible value of A plus C antia. So A plus C kan belhian pasari 7 in enge kan divide thai 18 hi 7 in kan divide them no kan divide thelo 8 hi kan divide them no kan divide thelo 28 you can divide thai sin som pali po kan divide thai som ni pakhat po kan divide thai chumi function our answer is 3 4 and 5. Option number E hi adik 3 4 and 5 follows. Now atran in shatiam law mai thayang atro but don't worry ke man ke explain ang mitil po hi belin engzat nge can find out 4x plus 3x is 7x tiro. Now hemi value of x chu eng poni thailo eng poni thai kovela number zong means it can be any number but it is always getting multiplied by value 7 in shatia mem. So hemi po hi as satisfy fulfill nge tur option A 18 can multi 18 hi factor 7 kan nei lo shim 8 factors are 7 kan nei yam kan nei lo masing 28 hi chu kan nei yasin 7 into 4 14 po kan nei yasin 7 into 2 21 po kan nei sin 7 into 3 in shatia mang hamitili. So option E is correct answer. Okay, question number 5 here. A train crossed the pole in T seconds. Okay, hemi train pakhatania and this is a pole and the train crossed the platform in train in platform por cross donimo poirere lenam can cross tiranga. Yes, in this case total distance traveled will be length of train but in this case length of train plus length of platform hunangzat molaka T plus 12 second la if the sum of length of A someone given hi okay what shadon wave zangale som limiter ania and length of train is also given zato memi and given chona easy way to. So length of train by its speed is equals to at hun lag zat pol ka chu T second across in muteng atro T second across train in platform across in means whenever train crosses another body which has length always unlength can add train. So zanga somli by speed of train is equals to time plus 12. Okay, now value of S kan neyem yes kan neylam hemi sikhita daila hemi t khuta datla daila. So S will become zathum by t. Hemi tilitan kandanga. So 540 by zathum by t. Hemi t kita kanda chode donyo is equals to t plus 12. Now 0 le 0 cancel lila 6 in 9 times 6 in 5 times. So 9 by 5 t is equals to t plus 12. Tero dulemi t hele magan da potang minus t is equals to 12. Now 90 atrang in 90 by 5 t atrang in t kan page 1 4t by 5 kan yang 4 by 5 t 4 in cancel lila. So t will be 15 second. 15 second hun ala don. The transition speed of train po kan nei the don. A length nge kha 300 tero and can find out zo chia second so ponga hunala. Cancel lila speed of train is 20 meter per second. Find the distance covered by the train in t minus 6 second. Distance tero find out tur. Ani chon distance nge train speed into time ani train. And time is t minus 6. T kan ya 15. 15 minus 6 is 9. And speed can find out zo chia hai 20. So zale somriat anidon meter. Okay. So distance will be zale somriat is correct answer. Question number 6. A boat covers 1.5 s kilometer downstream in 15 hours. Paila one ichon tihian siamila. 1.5 s kilometer a covera b plus c conjunction downstream speed. Hun engzat ngelak 15 hours hun ala a boy covers s kilometer in 5 hours. S kilometer in 5 hours. So boy speed tihian zia kila s by 5 tihian kan zia kang. And the speed of boy is 11 more than speed of boy is 11 more than speed of boat. Okay. Ani chon hem 11 hela makan dale ngalang. Oh, tatrang tatrang hian b can find out the hetan kan da theidon. Avachave. Value of s find out tangai. Ani chona theyang. Yes. And the value of stream point given a 3 kan ziak ngalang. S minus dule LCM in solvula or cross multiply. Value of b tahan kan daang. Now 1.5 s anya baka hemi thil himo loko decimal da sonila anwaya 10 kan nei ngalanga hela mapo 15 ma hela mapo 15 cancel pudila nge poi and 10 khita da chole de ilamo acha zokang 10. Now value of b tahen kada to donyo. So s by b in s minus 55 by 5 plus 3 anya hemi 5 kita 3 nan kan multiply and 5 kita chode donyo into 5. So 5 3s are 15 aniton is equals to 10. Hemi 5 and 10 2 time in can cancel thay. So s by s minus 55 le plus 15 is minus 40 hela ma 2. Now can solve liang s is equals to denominator hi right hand side 2s minus 80 minus 80 hela ma 80 is equals to 2s minus s. So 2s attrang in s by 80. So value of s kan ya option A is correct answer. So tuna richon only 6 questions kay man kada kashalawle try in tichon in like nga and in response ka endu atchachon nakina part dang po lo la omzelang. So thank you so much for watching this video. Next video lo upload le fatang. Thank you.